Welcome back, YouTube. And today I'm going to be telling you why you should open a business account with Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay, so looking into having a business account myself and fluctuations in my business over time, and growing as a small entrepreneur, I've started to look at what options are available to me and what I should uh, take and not take. And I've always had a business account with Navy Federal, but I kind of sat down and thought about, okay, what are some contributing factors that made me go ahead and get a business account with Navy Federal? So, number one, of course, everyone knows I personally have banked with Navy Federal for years now. And so, for the convenience sake, it's really easy for me to bank the same place for my personal banking as my business banking. It makes transfers and things of that nature easier, logging in because they can share the same login. So there's so many things on that aspect, and they fall right into my first category here in this video, which is online and mobile banking. So being a prior member of Navy Federal, I was already familiar with the platform, so I don't have to learn a new platform. I don't have to put my information into another bank's online banking platform, which is also allowing me to have another layer and protection of security. And so, being that they have a very good online banking platform, and it works well for me, it allows me to manage my business finances as well as my personal finances. And I can use the same login and just use a drop down menu to change over the profiles. To me, it was a no brainer to have a business account with Navy Federal. But moving forward, the other thing is the membership benefits. So being a member of Navy Federal, there's so many different perks and discounts and different opportunities that you get as being a member. And so being a member on the personal side, it just made me want to, go ahead and further that relationship and be a member on the business side where I would have access to some of their business benefits. Now, what are those benefits? Once again, there's many of them, but one of the greatest ones is the lower fees. So, when you're working with credit unions, they're going to have lower fees for business accounts in most cases. Typically, your maintenance fees are going to be cheaper, your transaction fees, overdraft fees. And for myself, especially when I first started my business, if you're not trying to keep a lot of money in your business account, or if you don't have a lot of money to keep in your business account, that was one of the first things I thought about when I was opening my first business bank account was, hey, I can go with Navy Federal because guess what? There was no money to put in the account initially besides what I was putting in to start my business myself from my personal money. So when your business isn't making money, why not go with the cheaper route? The next thing, of course, is going to be personalized service. And all credit unions are known for personalized service, but you can, really expect a more customized banking experience that's going to have, tailored advice and, just different solutions for you and your business needs, different things that are going to benefit you as a customer. So, they have different services where, they will have small business professionals speak to you about your business specifically and how you can grow your business and the things that you can do to benefit as a professional, as well as an entrepreneur. Um, so I really like that about Navy Federal. My next thing that I would definitely have to say is the lending options that they have available. So, dealing with Navy Federal on the business side, you have so many options that are available to you. You have, the checking accounts, you have the savings accounts, you have lines of credit, you have auto loans, um, you have your actual money market accounts, you have jumbo money market accounts, certificates. There's just so many options that are available to you. So when you're looking at all these different options, it's like, why would I not take advantage of having so many different options where I can have a business credit card, I can have a business line of credit, I can have all these other things available to me. So why not take advantage? And moving along, the other thing that I like about having a Navy Federal um, credit union business account is that they support small businesses. And, credit unions in general tend to support small businesses when you're dealing with credit unions and regional banks. And they're offering those resources, they're offering guidance, and they're there to help you and help you along your journey as a business owner to accomplish, bigger and better things. And last but not least, if you couldn't tell, one of my primary reasons for having a Navy Federal business account and why I think everyone should get one is their focus on financial education, because they're going to teach you different skills and different things that you need to know as a new business owner in order for you to be successful in running your business. So with that being said, and as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.